Today I am going to discuss in this video Wavy method, methods with intervals, number line rule, sign scheme of rational function. Here the rational functions are greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, less than 0, less than equal to 0. The function will be given in this form: x minus a1 to the power n1, x minus a to the power n2, like that. It goes on x minus ak to the power nk divided by x minus b1 to m1, x minus b2 to the power m2. Like that, it goes up x minus bp to the power mp, where n1, n2, nk natural number, m1 up to mp natural number, a1 to ak real number, and b1 to bp a real number, such that ai is not equal to bj and i1 to k, j1 to p. Most important here to find the points on the number line. Algorithm to find points on the number line: find all points by putting numerator equal to 0 and denominator equal to 0. Mark points as int circle for odd exponent and alternately changes as up positive and down negative. Then mark points as on int white circles for discontinuous points. These points will be excluded from the solution where wave does not intersect. And number 4, mark points as D for double points for even exponents of factor where wave remains in one side. Even exponent, wave remains. Now finally, wave to be drawn from right to left above the number line if fx is positive. Otherwise, below the number line. Now, this part is called theory part of Wavy. Now we will come to a problem. Fx is equal to x minus 1 to the power 3, x plus 2 to the power 4, x minus 3 to the power 5 into x plus 6 divided by x square into x minus 7 to the power 3. Solve the following inequalities: fx greater than 0, fx is less than equal to greater than equal to 0, fx is less than 0, and fx is less than equal to 0. Now, but how we'll do this? First of all, you draw a number line. Now, the points if you set the numerator equal to 0 and denominator equal to 0, now coming to, you will get minus 6 and minus 6, 0, 1, minus 6, minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 7. These are the points. We find it from the numerator and denominator. Now, from these points, we will find out who are the denominators. Denominator points are 0 and 7. These points are white circles. These points are white circles and 7 as white circles. We mark these white circles because they are discontinuous. And now even exponent x minus 2, that is double point, we will write the double point, and x square 0 is the white circle and also double point. Now we mark it on the number line. The most important, we mark it on the number line according to the increasing order of the number line. Just shown. Now, what we see, the coefficient of x positive to the power 3 is positive, positive to the power 4 is positive, positive to the power 5 is positive, positive to the power 1 is positive. So throughout is positive and is positive. So extreme right hand side, from the extreme right hand side, we started, the wave is positive and the wave comes, and 3 is the odd point, exponent is odd, so alternative changes, and 1, it is also 1, and 0 is the double point, so you make it white, I make it white, and 7, it make it white, it will not pass. So, and double point, now let's see this one. After finding the points, critical points from the numerator and denominator by setting it, spreading it on the number line, we find the discriminator point 0 and 7. 0 and 7, I make it white circles because the points are not, the chord wave is not intersecting there. It is not included in the solution. And coming to the even exponent, 0 and minus 2. 0 and minus 2. It is a double point. 0 and minus 2 double point, and the wave remains same side. Now coming to fx greater than 0. Now greater than 0, this point, this is minus infinity to minus 6. Then 1 to 3 union 7 to infinity. So what we see, the chord above is positive, chord below is positive. Repeating again, set the points on the numerator denominator equal to 0 and spread it on the number line, and look at the denominator. 0 and 7 should be excluded from the solution, that's why I put white circles. And the double point, even exponent double point, minus 2 and 0. 0 and minus 2 at the double point. The meaning of double point is that the graph does not change, the wave does not change. So, and the extreme right, from the extreme right hand side, when wave comes up, first of all the fx is, look at the fx is positive. How it is positive? Plus, is plus, numerator is plus is plus by plus is plus. So it starts from plus, and this 3 is odd, changes sign, and here is, this one is plus, this one minus, this one is minus, this one is minus, and this one is plus. I have solved the first one. You can do the remaining one. I will do the remaining one. Now coming to, for fx is greater than equal to 0, after solving the fx is greater than equal to, fx is greater than 0, now fx is greater than equal to 0. Equal to 0 means the point at where the function vanishes. Now coming to here, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 6 close, union 1, 3 close. We should be careful for the denominator. We cannot put here closed interval because 7, the point of discontinuity. Now coming to third bit, that is for fx less than 0, there x belongs to minus 6 to minus 2, and here I have 2 point is there. Point 2, if you put point 2, then what happens? Minus 2, then this becomes 0. So minus 2 is included there. And coming to the, for fx less than 0, minus 6 minus 2, and minus 2 to minus 0, and minus 2 to 0 into 0 to minus 1 union 0 to minus 1 union 3 to 7. Now coming to fx less than 0, so x belongs to minus 6 to 0, minus 2 to 0, and 0 to plus 1 is not minus 1. And coming to the, for fx greater than equal to 0, then x belongs to minus 6, we'll see that it is minus 6 to minus 2, minus 6 to minus 2, I'll take it minus 6 to minus 2, I am taking here 0, minus 2 is included, and 0 is excluded. Why 0 is excluded? Because 0 is the point of discontinuity, union, and 0 to 1 and 3 close, 7 open. Now here is a question in 2019 Jeemain. Find the domain of the function. If you look at the function, who is the problematic? Problematic is this expression and this expression. This problematic 4 minus x square is not to be equal to 0. That means x is not to be equal to plus or minus 2, and here x cube minus x should be greater than 0. If you factorize it, x into x plus 1 into x minus 1. If you spread it on the number line, then and what is the domain of the function? So domain of function, but you can take here positive and minus 1 to 0, union 1 to infinity, but 2 is there. So we got the solution.